In this video, we're going to talk about the most powerful tool in trading, your mindset. Because no strategy will work if your emotions are in control. Every winning trader you admire, they've trained their mind more than their chart skills. Before we dive deeper, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and don't forget to share it with someone trying to grow in trading. Let's start with the truth. Most traders lose not because of poor analysis, but because of poor discipline. They revenge trade after a loss. They over-leverage when they're emotional. They break their rules because they can't control their mindset. You ever felt like the market is against you? It's not. You're just reacting emotionally. Trading is 90% psychological. The charts test your patience, your confidence, and your ego. So how do you fix this? First, journal your trades. Write down how you felt before, during, and after each trade. You'll start seeing patterns in your behavior, not just in price. Second, set rules and follow them like your life depends on it. Daily stop loss, maximum trades, max risk per trade. Break a rule, step away. It's that serious. Third, train like an athlete. No athlete performs well tired, stressed, or emotional. Why should you? Take care of your sleep, your diet, your mental health. A tired mind is an impulsive mind. Don't trade when you're chasing a loss or running from stress. Trade when your mind is clear. Now let's talk about expectations. If you're trying to flip $10 into $1,000 overnight, you're not a trader, you're gambling. Grow your account slowly and with control. Don't force trades. The market will always be there tomorrow. And if you want to level up your journey, consider joining XNES, a reliable broker trusted by traders around the world. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's continue building the mindset of a serious trader. Let's talk about losses. Every trader loses. It's part of the game. The difference between a good and a bad trader. One learns, the other reacts. Never let one loss turn into a spiral. Stop, analyze, learn. If you followed your plan but still lost, that's okay. You were disciplined. That's a win. Now let's talk about fear and greed. They're the two monsters that ruin trades. Fear makes you exit too early. Greed keeps you in too long. You need a plan before you even open a chart. Know where you're entering, where you're exiting, and how much you're risking. A strong mindset means sticking to the plan even when it hurts. Another killer tip, don't trade every day. If there's no setup, there's no trade. Forcing trades is a sign of addiction, not professionalism. And don't compare your journey to someone else. Just because someone made $1,000 today doesn't mean you're behind. Focus on your growth. 1% better each day beats 100% fake flex. Here's something most won't tell you. Sometimes, the best trade is no trade. And always remember, trading is a business, not a lottery. A real business has structure, systems, and goals. Your trading should be the same. So next time you sit in front of your charts, take a moment, breathe. Ask yourself, am I calm? Am I ready? Am I following my rules? If not, walk away. Protect your mind, and your money will follow. And once again, if you want to take trading more seriously, consider XNES, one of the most trusted brokers in the game. You'll find the link in the description. Start your journey the right way. If this video helped you, subscribe, share it, and leave a comment below. Let's grow together. Mindset first, money second.